Good morning, Kip.
Hello.
Hey, tell me what the plan is today.
So today, basically repeat as yesterday, except you got a little bit more rot on this side.
Right.
But same story, we're gonna take everything out that's old, rotted, replace it with new, new metal, and then we'll start on your awning at the end of the day, hopefully.
So it'll take most of the day to do this part.
Right, because there's a little bit more rot on this side.
Okay.
So it takes us a little bit longer to build it back.
Okay, great. But you don't foresee any problems?
Not right now.
Good.
Everything looks like it did yesterday, just kind of a repeat.
Great. Okay, super. Thank you. What?
You can't see it, but right here, this green tub
is hiding it?
It's full of water.
You mean
the lid? Yeah, the lid is just covered with about 1 inch of water.
But it's not in the...
It's not in the tub. It's just on top of your lid.
Can you guys
I'll get up there and I'll dump it out. So
okay, great. Thank you. That piece of wood you're leaning on looks like it's ready to go.
Oh, it is.
Oh my gosh.
That's where you got this big puddle of water. Just don't let it fall on you.
Oh, what's that box it's going into?
I don't know.
Oh dear.
Looks like stone.
Oh, okay. Not worried about that then. Oh, that's left over from the fireplace.
It's really surprising.
Let me get a towel before you.
Let me just see a towel.
Yeah, let me
just absorb it.
Yeah. Let me go get a towel.
Yeah, we're 140, probably 144.
All right.
143 and 7/8.
I don't see much in the way of wood up there.
This is nails that you gotta need.
Wow, you had to take a lot out, huh?
Yes, I got my nails done. It was a little bit worse on this side.
Here.
Probably because more trees and...
Probably. It probably gets a little bit more shade on this side.
It does.
I have to relocate you, Kaye.
That's fine. Hey Shane, good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing today?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
All right, and you wanted that 143 and what?
7/8.
Did you see any more standing water in those in the top of
The
those?
only place I seen was right in this corner.
Okay, good. Thankfully.
Hey, while you're right here, you know that tree right here that Butcher's talking about?
Yeah.
Can we cut that down?
Yeah, go ahead.
That way it'll help us put that metal up there.
Yeah, go ahead. I talked to my...
I don't know if you've noticed, but the main thing that we do is try to keep Butch happy.
Oh, I hadn't noticed that.
Yeah, we try to keep Butch happy.
Well, he seems like he tries to keep you happy too.
Well, so if we keep him happy, then everything's good. But if he gets angry, which is every day.
I can't quite picture him getting angry.
No, you don't like him.
I can tell you one thing about this hair of mine. If you get rained out, snowed out, whatever, Thursday, it's hitting the floor. It's too long.
He's a angry man.
Yeah, that tree's kind of in the way, isn't it?
Well, it's just a junk tree. They shouldn't have trimmed it. They should have just taken the whole thing down. Rolling out and cutting the insulation. But I need a better measurement than 150. So y'all work on that. And we're at 95 and 5/8.
Yes, sir. 149.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, just be careful with y'all's overlap.
That's been on the mind.
4 inches. No more, no less. Actually,
Hey there everyone, Kaye here on my homestead in Tennessee. The next big project for my homestead is replacing the roof on the shop. You know, this is what you have to figure out when you have a place like this. I mean, I knew I was moving into about a 30-year-old house, 34-year-old house, and the previous people had flipped it, so they had done some upgrades and new flooring and stuff. So the only thing that I've done inside the house is the fireplace, which I just, you know, you walk by your fireplace many times a day, and I just had to have it beautiful, and I wound up with it being beautiful. So if you want to go back and watch that project, I had a wonderful man here who left high school and he became a mason and did masonry for his whole life. And so it just turned out beautiful, and I was very happy with it. Now the focus is on what must be done. You know, the funds have to be used for what has to be done, not cosmetic. This roof I debated, as I mentioned in my overview video, I debated numerous times, can I patch it, can I fix it, can I, you know, do it somehow without having to redo the roof, because people say don't invest money in your shop building, invest money in your kitchen cabinets if you want to upgrade the value of your property. And I need to do that too. But as it turns out, I'm so glad I decided to go ahead and get a new roof, because until you take all the tin off and all the old insulation, this was fiberglass insulation, and it was wet, it was holding water, and it was rotting the support beams. And so this morning, this is day 2. You've probably already seen part 1. Day 2, they discovered even more rotted wood on this side, and it's all cleaned up. They've got all the new wood up, and they had to run to a plumbing emergency somewhere, so they'll be gone for a little while, and they'll be back today, and hopefully we'll get the insulation and the tin on this side today. But more of the same today, and I can't get a camera up there and get the views like I could on the uphill side. That's where we're at. So I hope you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. Scroll down and click all so you won't miss an upload. And I'll see you in the next video.
Spin it after me.
All right.
Another piece of metal, Butch.
All right.
Now you won't. That's one thing you won't be able to see.
Now we found one of your candid shots.
Yep. And when you were 50.
So how's it going, Kip?
Going good. We're, let's see, two pieces away.
Oh, fantastic. Are you going to be able to get the centerpiece on?
Yeah, we're going to get that on. We should be able to get that, corner pieces.
Great.
I think we'll get pretty much all this wrapped up. We might not get the corners on the building.
Yeah.
But we'll get everything up on the roof done.
Good deal.
As long as we can keep Butch happy.
Well, the coffee will be here soon, so. Okay. This tree was just cut. That's going to be firewood, I think.
All right, push through in. A little more. Right there. Perfect. Perfect. Good. Do it, then talk about it.
Look at that tree. It's barely got any green on it. Some kind of evergreen tree, but it has those ridges.
Okay, thanks for fixing and getting interested.
But this side, or this, wow, that's amazing looking. side is dead. Okay, they've almost got this side on. I mean this side of the roof. Look what we have here. January 10th, and they are jumping out of the ground. What's that belong to? This is English ivy, which is almost impossible to get rid of. It's just amazing how all these little ground covers survive the cold. I have a huge collection of them. Well, I just told everybody I was not going up on the ladder. Here I am. It's nice looking, isn't it?
Like you're doing something. Point. Like you're really high up in the air.
Good, I am. I feel like I'm way high up in the air.
Like a baked on paint. I mean, it's
Powder coated, right?
heavy duty.
Yes, it's baked on. It's got like 8 layers of paint.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Fantastic. How much does that one sheet weigh?
I don't know.
10 pounds?
Maybe.
Whoa! That wasn't supposed to happen like that.
I know, and I got it all on camera.
He's like, no. Yes.
All right, here we go. One more time.
That's great. They're way off, aren't they? I think it's just the side. I think it's got that mass behind it. I've never really put much thought into it until.
What'd you do, center that up?
All right, are y'all are you going to try to do the ridge cap today?
Yeah, we'll do the corner. We'll have to do the corners and the ridge. Hand me that screw.
That's true. I'm gonna get another.
There's nothing puckering right here.
Well, I might. Oh, slippery side.
This is the slippery
It's a
side.
slippery side.
What are we doing different? Why did you buy that door molding that's in there?
We're gonna take that wood mold.
What's that? And that.